Okay, I heard it pop in. Makes like a clicking noise. So now, all I need to do is get it to go in here. I've got it fully seated into the transmission. And I'm trying to just bend and flex this enough so I can get this stub in there. Here we go. It just does do it. Here we go. Now I can put a washer on that and the nut. You have to be careful. You don't want to hammer this thing on, hammer it into place and it's wrong. You can really do some damage if you're not careful. And then I got to put a couple of nuts here. Oh yeah, that's a little better. Turn on some lights. So I've got these large bolts here that hold the strut to the hub here. Okay, I'll take that. And the nut goes on the back side here. Let's see if I can get this one to go in. There we go. Awesome.